3 healthy lunchbox ideas for employees. Part 1. 1. Quinoa salad with grilled chicken. Ingredients: quinoa, grilled chicken breast, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, feta cheese, olive oil, lemon juice. Cook quinoa and grilled chicken. Toss with chopped vegetables and feta, then drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Two. Vegetable stir-fry with brown rice. Ingredients: brown rice, broccoli, carrots, bell peppers, snow peas, tofu or shrimp, soy sauce, ginger, garlic. Stir-fry vegetables with tofu or shrimp in soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. Serve over brown rice. 3. Turkey and avocado wrap in. Ingredients: whole wheat tortilla, sliced turkey, avocado, lettuce, tomato, mustard or hummus. Spread mustard or hummus on the tortilla. Layer with turkey, avocado, lettuce, and tomato. Roll up and slice in half. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.